We got an 11-foot wide with 3 decks. This came from a place they took very good care of it. You see it's been greased up good. It does have some deck patching right here on this one, and on the front of that where the wheel hook's on, they mowed big acreage with it, so it's not really been beat around. You heard it running, it runs very good. It doesn't fold it nicely. I'll fold it up for you here in a minute. But there was non-factory welds on that deck over there. The center was none. And this one over here, the outside, looks like they've done some reinforcing in different places. Right here, non-factory weld. But Land Pride, very good. This is a good mower. It's got some hours on it. You can see they've got a lot of new pieces on it. Very functional. And you go downtown today, these things will break the bank. They're extremely high. I think this thing's like in the mid-20s new, like thousands. And let's just watch it fold up and make sure everything's okay there. With a 50-horse tractor, okay? You can probably run something maybe a little smaller. Look here, look at these blades. Somebody's just put new blades pretty well all around on this thing. All these blades are new on this, so it has been well maintained, but does have a few non-factory welds.